Groupon is one of the largest marketplaces for local businesses to find customers online. Through Groupon, local businesses can directly target Groupon's large user base with exclusive deals. As a result, the product and business data on Groupon's website can be incredibly valuable. For example, it could give you great insight into deals that your competitors are offering on the platform. A web scraper like ParseHub will allow you to select the specific data you'd like to extract from Groupon and download it as an Excel spreadsheet or JSON file. You could even set up your scraper to run on a schedule and export your results to Google Sheets in order to always have access to the most recent data. We have a video explaining how to do this, so you can click the link in the top right corner of this video to learn how. For this example, we will scrape multiple Groupon deals in Toronto. We will also be teaching you how to deal with pagination and using the scroll function. First, make sure to download and install ParseHub for free so you can follow along with this tutorial. You can download it for free through the link in the description or at parsehub.com. It's time to get scraping. Open ParseHub, click on New Project, and enter the Groupon URL you want to scrape. The page will now render inside the app. Start by clicking on the business name of the first result on the page. It will be highlighted in green to indicate that it has been selected. Click on the second business name in the list to select all the listings on the page. In the left sidebar, rename your selection to Business. ParseHub is now pulling the business name and the deal URL. Now, click on the plus sign next to your business selection and choose the Relative Select command. With the Relative Select command, click on the business name of the first result and then on its rating score. An arrow will appear to indicate the relationship between these data points. Rename your new command to Rating. Expand the Rating command and remove its URL extraction, since this URL is already being pulled. Repeat these steps to extract more data such as the number of reviews, deal price, offer percentage, offer details, and business address. Your final project should look like this. ParseHub is now extracting the data you have selected from every result on the first page, but we want to extract from multiple pages. We'll now instruct ParseHub to navigate to the next page of results and extract more data. First, click on the plus sign next to your page selection and choose the Select command. With the Select command, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on the Next Page button. Rename your selection to Next. Expand your Next selection and remove both extract commands under it. Click on the plus sign beside your Next selection and choose the Click command. A pop-up will appear asking you if this is a next page link. Click on Yes and enter the number of times you'd like to repeat the process. For this example, we will repeat it 5 times. We can then click on the Repeat Current Template button. Lastly, select your Click command and under it, tick the Uses Ajax option. Some websites will require you to scroll down to load more options. This is the same for Groupon. As a result, we will need to tell ParseHub to scroll down to the bottom of the page before it starts extracting data. First, click on the plus sign next to your page selection, click on Advanced, and choose Scroll. Then, drag your new scroll command to the top of your project, right under the page selection. Your project should now look like this. Feel free to pause the video to make sure it's the same. Now you're ready to run your scrape job. To do this, click on the green Get Data button in the left sidebar. Here, you will be able to choose if you want to test your scrape run, schedule it for later, or run it right away. For larger scrape jobs, we recommend that you test your run first to verify everything is working correctly. In this case, we will just run it right away. ParseHub will now go and scrape the data you've selected. Once the scrape is completed, you will be able to download your scrape as an Excel or JSON file. Groupon might sometimes block you from scraping their website. Your scrape jobs will come back blank when this happens. In order to get around this, you'll have to enable IP rotation in ParseHub, which is a paid feature. To enable it, click on the settings icon in the top left corner of your project and tick the Enable IP Rotation box. Then go back and run your scrape job again. You now know how to extract data from a website like Groupon. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more about web scraping, check us out at parsehub.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on web scraping, data, and the internet.